So I am currently painting my my set. Parts of my set. I still have a couple that I need to print. That's fine. So this is the floor. This is a door, and this is a wall. I just painted here. Yeah, the filament I'm using is red, which means, if you can see this, which you can't really see that very well, but you can see the slight red tint to it, which is a little bit annoying. But we're just going to roll that. I might grab a black marker and just go between to make it a little bit more detailed. I did grab some black filament so that next time I just do a light coat and then it will be nice and simple. So yeah, this, I'm not going to use this. I am using silver for the floor and door, which I have made a little door thing, which I'll put on the screen there, just to make it a nice little smooth thing. So yeah, I'm just going to go very light sort of coats, sort of like that. But then you need to remember to get the hairs out, which I forgot to do. And you don't realise the hairs are there until it is far too late. But that's fine. We just spray more paint on it. It doesn't really matter once it's dried. We're not going to actually see, we're not actually going to see any of the floor very often, maybe a couple close-up shots. But that is what it looks like. You can still see a bit of red, which when I print the black ones, it will be look a lot better. But we're just balling. Yeah, the red filament was actually being quite annoying last week because it wasn't printing properly, which I was only able to get a few decent prints. These are probably the better ones of the prints. But you know, we're working with it, and I'm honestly quite happy with it. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. A nice metal door. Yeah. It's all good, really.